This is Detective DSPR number 40345. Today's date is January the 10th, 2013. The time is now 17:55 hours. In my vehicle outside of the area, 3127 East Greenlee. In my vehicle with me is a Miss Paula Huff. Paula, can I get your date of birth, please?
November 30th, 1961.
All right, thank you very much. Well, I can ask you that off too. Paula, I'm here and we made contact earlier. I came and knocked on your door and asked you about the marijuana smell coming from your house. I wanted to ask you about the marijuana grow that you have in your house, but when we made contact with you, which is totally within your rights, you said, hey, I'm not going to let you guys in here. And I understand that. Okay, so what we did is we went and got a search warrant, and so now we're searching your property. Now we also got a search warrant for your business, and I want to ask you some questions about. I just did a walkthrough of your house. I haven't walked through at the business yet, but I will. I want to ask you some questions about what's in there and why they're in there and that kind of thing. When we made contact earlier, you told me that you had a medical marijuana card and actually produced it and everything. I advised you that, I ran records checks on it and everything, and it came back not valid. And so I want to ask you questions about how you got it and where you got it and how long you've had and that kind of stuff. But before I can ask you questions, or before I can get answers, I should say, I need to advise you of your rights. Okay? Have you ever been read your rights before?
No.
No? Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to the presence of an attorney to assist you prior to questioning, if you so desire. If you can't afford an attorney, you have the right to have an attorney appointed to you prior to questioning. Do you understand those rights?
Yes.
Okay. Now, having been advised of those rights and understanding them, will you answer my questions?
No.
Okay. I'm not going to ask you any more questions. Okay. The only thing that I will ask you is stuff pertaining to your biographical information. So your name, your date of birth, and that kind of stuff. That's the reason why I got most of that stuff off tape. Okay? That concludes my interview. Time is now 17:57 hours.